Hi everyone, I am Anna Morvin. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to knit half twisted broken ribbon stitch 3 on 2. It is an unusual, unique, very attractive and very elastic ribbon which could decorate your garment or accessory. I will show you how to knit it in the round and flat. Take a look at it on the finished garment. Here it goes on this T on the bottom, on the neckline, and on the sleeves. Also, take a look how it looks in different yarns. They all are pretty, just in their own ways. Let's knit this pattern in the round. Here's the chart. It has 2 rounds and 5 columns. It demands multiple 5 stitches. The pattern consists of twisted knit stitches, which are separated with a regular knit stitch, which alternates with the regular purl stitch every other round. And the pattern repeat ends with 2 regular purl stitches. So let's do it. So let's knit it in the round. First stitch comes twisted through the back loop. Second stitch should be plain, but as long as the stitch follows the purl stitch from the previous round, so to not twist it, we need to knit it also through the back loop. The next stitch is knit twisted through the back loop and 2 plain purl stitches. Twisted, plain, twisted, 2 purls. Go like this to the end of the round. Here the second round goes. Twisted, plain purl, twisted, plain purl, plain purl. Twisted, plain purl, twisted, 2 plain purls. That's how we do it in the round. Let's do it in flat knitting. The point is to work those 2 columns twisted on both right and wrong sides. But there is difference for continental and British knitters how to work the stitches to make them twisted. For British knitters, those stitches should be worked through back loops. For continental knitters working flat, they should be worked through front loops. I will show it to you in a moment. Okay. So, first should come twisted. And you see how loops are lying. So we need to knit it through the front loop. Second stitch should be plain. And we see how our loops are lying, so to not twist it, we knit it through front loop. Another stitch should be twisted through front loop and 2 plain purl stitches. twisted, plain, twisted, purl, purl. Here comes the second round from left to right when we read the chart. So, to remain those 2 stitches purl from the right side, we need to knit them from the wrong side, as it's shown here. Then, this should be also a knit stitch on the right side, and it should be twisted. So, we need to make a purl twisted stitch. If we would purl it regularly, it would be purl through front loop. But to make it twisted, we make it through back loop. Next stitch, it should be alternation to make those broken steps. So on the right side it was a knit stitch, and the next stitch here should be purl stitch from the right side. So from the wrong side we need to knit it. Here is the breaking. And the last stitch in the pattern repeat, it's twisted purl stitch. And begin it over. Knit, knit, purl twisted, knit, purl twisted. That's all for today. Thanks for watching it. Follow my channel for more tutorials. Have a great day. See you.